Hi, my name is Emory. I'm a lash artist and trainer for LivBay Lash. This channel is dedicated to all things lash and beauty. If you haven't already, please click the subscription box below. In today's video, we'll be talking about all things lash, lash fans, what type of look it could create. So let's get into it. So we're gonna talk about narrow fans. The best way to grab them, it's by the middle. And with narrow fans, you're gonna have a denser look. So you don't wanna open the fan too much, just a little bit. And this is gonna help you get a darker set when you're doing your lashes. With wide fans, you are going to grab right by the strip and you're gonna pull. You're gonna hold the base and press. That's gonna open the fan all the way, just like that. With wide fans, you can create a more even look. It's great for mega volume, and you wanna place these fans in the middle of your set. Outer corners and inner corners, you wanna make sure that you have smaller fans. And then if you mix narrow fans with wide fans, you can create a more wispy set. So for close fans, you want to grab the lashes right in the middle. You're going to pull, make sure they're all together, and then you're going to grab them from the middle as well. And you don't want to open too much, just like that. You want your base to be super thin. That way it's going to stick to the lash better. And this is going to help you create that dense look, and it's going to give you a more wispy look and a wispy set as well. You want to get these, you want to use these close fans where you want to put the spikes. So if you want to create spikes on your lash strip, so you want to add some primer to your micro swab. And you're going to add that primer to the base of your lash strip. This is going to have them stick together, creating those spikes. So remember, spikes, you want to add them at first before your set. You want to create an even look. So you want your spikes to be 2 to 3 millimeters longer than your regular set. So that way they popped out, just like that. So that's all we have for today. Question for you: what's your favorite type of fan? So if you're ready to start your career as a lash artist, we have in-person and online classes at LivBayLashClass.com.